Hi there, my name is Erica. I got an A star in A-level geography when I took it. I'm an experienced geography tutor and now I work for Geography Explained. So this is our final water and carbon cycle 4 marker before the exam. So today we'll be looking at this topic that is written on the screen ahead of me, and that is outline the process of decomposition in the carbon cycle. Now this question is a really good example of the type of 4 marker that you could potentially get asked on any of those processes of movement in the carbon cycle. You could potentially get something like this on stores. I mean, you could get it on anything in the specification, but this kind of thing lends itself really well to these really clear AO1 knowledge questions. So remember, as ever, these are point marks, so you need at least 4 bullet points or sentences or separate points, whatever you divide it into, and then you need to, you could have 2 points that have a little bit of development on them, or you could do a little bit of a mixture. So the first thing that you want to do in this instance is give a definition. So you want to say what decomposition is. And decomposition in the carbon cycle is that breakdown or decay of organic matter by bacteria or by fungi. Animals such as worms, or you might use the posh word detritivores, bacteria and fungi are collectively termed decomposers. During decomposition, carbon dioxide is released. So it really is that simple to get one of those golden points in your A-level. You could also say that most of the carbon released into the atmosphere is as a result of decomposition. Another key fact that you could deploy here is that it is temperature dependent. So warmer temperatures are characterized by much higher rates of decomposition as there is more microbial activity. However, the presence of water is a really key component. This comes up when we're thinking about those links between the water and carbon cycles. It's a really key one. It's an equally key component in the rate of decomposition and the release of carbon. You've got to think that these organisms need something to survive, and that is always going to be water. I think this is quite a nice simple question for you to be starting off an exam paper with, so I'm crossing my fingers that they ask one similarly as nice to you guys when you sit your exam really soon. Make sure to follow our channel if you're not already for some more last minute updates before the exam and a supportive community around you. Here's just a sneak peek of the types of notes that you could get. Oh, my big fat head is in the way. The types of notes that you could get if you have a look at our website.